In a few days is Valentine's Day, and today I'll show you how I made really cute Valentine's Day inspired pins out of clay, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I did, and you feel a little bit inspired to try your own pins. And by the way, in this video I'm a bit more calm because my kids are asleep and I film during nighttime. So first of all, I made some thoughts about what I wanted to create, and I chose like a limited color palette, which is with yellow, orange and green tones and a little bit of pinkish. And after that I just started, and I had this really old package of clay. And so you're gonna see it's pretty hard, so I had to put a lot of effort into it to make it very soft. Normally it's not like this, but after a while I had really sore hands and I decided to cut it into really small pieces. I'm not gonna lie, this took like ages, but at the end I had a pretty smooth result, and I don't see any difference to the normal one, even though it looks like old feta cheese in here. I know we have very bad lighting, but it's the second day and my pins came out of the oven. I don't really know if you can see properly, but they look so bumpy, and I thought it can be cute, but actually they're too thick and too bumpy. So they kind of look like my son made them. So here we are. I'm gonna do a second try. I don't think I'm gonna paint them. This is my favorite. It's like, look, it's like super thick, and I want them to look like this, and they're not looking like this. So second try. So this stuff is like, we call it fimo. I don't know if you have it in your country, but it's like clay. You bake it in the oven, and mine is pretty old, so I have to really cut it into small pieces and like massage it.
Knead.
I have to knead it. My son is awake. So after my son woke up, and after I was kneading this little bowl for like 2 hours, I had a smooth result, and I was drawing with a pencil on top of it and created my shapes. Like I did like a jar of love, a little present, a key which is heart shaped, and so on and so on. After this was done, I was cutting out the shapes pretty roughly, which doesn't matter because after that I'm gonna smooth out the edges with my finger and maybe some spit. Of course not, that would be disgusting. I did use my spit. It was easier. And then I made, just for fun, those little stars, which I find really cute and fun to do. Look at him. And here you see the difference with the first batch and the second one. At this point I decided to go to bed because it was already 3 AM. See you tomorrow! I couldn't show you because my oven was pretty dirty, but the clay pins went into the oven for like 30 minutes and now they are like cold, hard and ready to be painted. And then the fun part starts, painting. I chose a very limited color palette of 4 colors, and I think that's pretty cute because every pin matches the other one, so you can combine them with each other. I can really recommend making some thoughts about the color choice before you start making the clay pins, because then it's going to be easier and you can just relax and enjoy painting the clays. Hi, it's me again. This little clay pin, for example, I'm not happy with it. It looks, I don't know, doesn't look nice. But still I decided to keep it in the video because I think that's important to show that you can't just, as a creator or as an artist, you can't just make amazing results. You have to try out new things, you have to fail, you have to stand up again, you have to fail again, you know, it's just a big journey, and you can't just always stay in your comfort zone. If I would always stay in my comfort zone, I wouldn't have wrote a children's book yet, I wouldn't be an illustrator yet, I wouldn't have started speaking English on YouTube. And you know, guys, it's so scary. I do so many mistakes, but I got a lot of support from you guys, and that motivates me so much, and it takes a little bit of my fear. You know, guys, I'm not too proud of staying awake during the night, but at the moment it's not that easy for me to create stuff during the day because the kids are here all the time, So yeah, that's my way of creating stuff. So I'd rather be tired and create than sleep enough but not create anything. Yeah, but I'm really looking forward to the times the kindergarten starts again, and I'm really looking forward to the times my little ones are a bit bigger and sleep better. So I really recommend cleaning your fingers, because I smudged over so many pins and I made like a huge mess and they stick to my finger. So clean your fingers, don't be as silly as me. And yeah, what else can I tell you? I hope I don't annoy you. If I do, please mute this video so you can still enjoy me painting the pins. Otherwise what can I tell you? I don't know. I don't know what to do with these pins actually. I think they're cute. My son got one, the key one. But apart from that, I don't really know what to do with them. I just wanted to do a video which is like Valentine's Day themed. And I did that. And then I was tired. But I continued. And now we come to an end. After 24 hours of drying time for the acrylic paint, I used some like clear coat. And now we're gonna see the end result after I glued the little pins at the back. And I know everyone's excited, just as me. And now may I present my Valentine's Day clay pins. I love them, they're so cute. No, like really, I really like them. Not all of them, but I think in a group they look really, really, really nice. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.